Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be drawing some color mixing balloons. We are going to be using the primary colors to color in these balloons, and we will be using the secondary colors to color in the areas in which they overlap. For today's project, you are going to need a piece of paper held horizontally from side to side. You're going to need a pencil, eraser, and whatever coloring supplies you have at home. Today I'm going to use color pencils, but you can use crayons, markers, or even paint if you have it. We're going to draw 4 balloons. Now to start off with these balloons, we are going to draw 4 circles. I like to use my finger to pretend to draw my circles so I can measure out about how big they should be. Then on the left side of your paper, go ahead and draw your first circle. Once you have your first circle drawn, we need to turn it into a balloon shape. And to do that, on the left and right side of that circle, I'm going to extend a diagonal line downward past the bottom of the circle, and then I'm going to curve them in towards one another and create a bottom curve for the bottom of the balloon. Then to create the little knotted piece of balloon holding the air in, at the bottom of the circle, create a short diagonal line downward, and then a zigzag or wavy line across, and then a diagonal line up and inward towards the bottom of the balloon. When you're happy with the shape of your balloon, go ahead and trace over it one more time using your pencil. Then you can take your eraser and erase the bottom curve of the original circle. Now it's time to draw your second circle. When you draw this second circle, make sure it overlaps some part of the first balloon. Then just as you did the first, you're going to extend 2 diagonal lines downwards from the sides of the circle, curving in towards one another to create your balloon shape. Remember to erase the bottom of the original circle. Sometimes I like to use a tissue and lightly wipe off the surface of my paper of the eraser shaving so I don't smudge my pencil marks. Go ahead and create another balloon overlapping the second one just a little bit. When you're done with your third balloon, you're going to draw one more balloon and once again overlapping the third one just a little bit. When you're done drawing your balloons, you can draw a ribbon attached to each balloon. Draw a slightly wavy vertical line down from the bottom of each balloon and that touches the bottom of the paper. You can even add a little squiggle line to the top of that vertical line where it attaches the balloon to show the curly part of the ribbon. Next, we're going to color the balloons using the primary colors. And then where the balloons overlap, we're going to use the secondary colors. So the first balloon towards the left is going to be red. then yellow, then blue, and the last one red again. Where the red and yellow overlap, we're going to color that part in orange. Where the yellow and blue overlap, we're going to color that part in green. And where the blue and red overlap, we're going to color that last part in purple. We're going to color those 3 areas in that are overlapping using those secondary colors. When you're coloring in the balloons, if you want to leave a little thin curved area on the balloons white in certain spots on the edge of the balloons, you can do that. It will make those balloons look a little bit more realistic. If you're using colored pencil or crayon to color in your balloons, make sure to keep an even pressure on that colored pencil or crayon so you have a nice even color on the entire balloon. When you're all done, don't forget to sign your name on your artwork. I hope you enjoyed creating these color mixing balloons today. Don't forget to have fun, be creative, and don't worry if you make a mistake. See you next time.